Yes, and I'm having this.
Okay,
And this
so
will
it-
go to so many Tibetan people. They will learn it.
So the Hopi uses sage to cleanse and purify, and they will light it and blow it out, just the beginning, and then let the smoke first go to the breath and the spirit, to the top, up to the kopavi, which is the top of their head. They call
Kopa.
it kopavi.
Tselodoe,
Top of the head. Is that similar to yours?
Tselodoe.
Similar.
No, we'll tell you later.
Okay, and then they go 4 times counterclockwise around the head and the body. They use the left hand 4 times around the body. Then they do their hands for everything you touch and everything that touches you, and then the bottoms of your feet, so you walk a good path. And then you can also just kind of send it over your body as well. But those are the main things: breath and spirit 4 times. They go counterclockwise. I think they're the only people to do that. The hands.
So that means
and the
we do
feet.
also the count according to the clock.
Do it. You do it the other way. That's okay. Navajo do it that way. Many tribes go counterclockwise. I mean, go clockwise. But the Hopi do it that way. And I think it's very interesting. The Hopi.
Hopi does the opposite way.
Yes. And then what you were saying that I told you, the Hopi's word for sun is the Tibetan word for moon. Dawa is the sun in Hopi, it's the moon in Tibetan. And then the moon, what is your sun called?
Nima.
Nima, same. And that's, the Hopi word is for moon.
Moon, yeah.
So
So
they have-
your Nima is moon,
Right.
our Nima is sun.
Yes.
Your Dawa is, we call Dawa for moon.
Oh, yes, it's just the opposite. And I'm not Hopi, I'm actually from the
내가
Cherokee.
너를 줬었어.
I'm from the Cherokee Nation way across. But I was sent
So
right
what do
to
you
the
call
village.
the sun?
They call it Dawa. Dawa.
And what do you call the moon?
The same as yours, sun.
Nima.
I have
But
trouble
the
saying
Gopsur
it.
is
It's
that.
exactly. Just
만석이
opposite.
니말이야 혼석이 나왔어. 와, 그치 근데로 책에서 근데 깨들이야.
And I was sent there, and I have not been able to leave for 13 years. I'm from the mountains and the ocean and the rivers, my family is Cherokee from back east, but I went to the west, and I don't know how I ended up in the desert, but I'm here now for 13 years. And I was told to help them. I had prophecy.
What's your name?
Kit.
Ah,
Kit.
Kit.
Kit. Like a kitten, but Kit.
How you spell it?
K-I-T. And I was sent to the Hopi, and I am supposed to help. I had prophecies for them. I have visions and prophecies since I died and came back. Like I said to your interpreter, a Buddha appeared to me with a lotus blossom light, lantern of light, because when I was a child, I always wished for wisdom. I always wished for truth before I died. So I came back, and I entered that state of bliss. And I was like a tuning fork of white light energy, and I was one with the Creator, I asked, what am I to you? There is no separation. All
So
the
do you
one.
sing when you smudge or?
They do, the Hopi do. I say prayers when I do it.
So can you do a prayer for me, like,
Yes.
and then I'll send it to all.
Okay,
And I'm gonna have this.
Okay.
And
can I have, oh yes, I was gonna have Babby come too, but I can do this.
you said 7.
7, yeah, whatever you can afford, if you can afford
Can I
it.
have 2 for 15?
Oh, absolutely.
You're getting $1 profit.
I'm not trying to, what I'm doing is I'm starting a center in near Hopi for the children. I'm trying to find a nice big
I
one.
can come and sing if you want
Really?
help. Yeah.
Really? You don't stay here though, do you?
I'll be here for 90 days.
Oh, wonderful.
So if you want to do any
Thank you
fundraise
so
for
much.
them or something,
Oh,
let me
lovely.
know.
Yes,
And
because
I
what
don't drive.
Okay, well, I can drive.
Thank you.
But what I'm doing is I'm putting together, there's a big house with a couple of acres, and the house is gonna be a classroom, and for the children, and I'll move this out of the way. The house is gonna be a classroom for the,
건조기 그 지단데 가지고 때 건조기 배버티게 티시나야 워 가는데 로바데 가지고 머리 찍고지 말이야 망부지 인센 세레모니 파이어 댄싱 뭐다 dinman 아주 가리게 지기 하람 건조 찍고 지기도 와
I think I need a better lighter.
no
Oh, you can do it then.
Okay.
Is that lighter okay? Oh, there you go, you got it going.
It's gonna be okay. The thing is, that's it. That's what they want. So how you do?
We might need more.
No problem. No more
Okay.
is okay. This is
What do you say? You said Hmong. What's that mean in Tibetan? Hmong.
Monk?
Hmong? Hmong?
Monk is English.
Oh, well, you said sounded like Hmong.
More. Sounded like.
And then, too dry.
It's very dry.
That's why it's
It's
called.
because we had a drought, and we're lucky to have sage. There wasn't any for much for a couple of years. I know we're gonna have to really. I'm gonna break it just a little bit.
You need to light it or chop it. Yeah, here you go.
Okay, here we go.
Be careful, you.
We're just not gonna blow it out. We're just gonna let it burn for a while. Here, this is.
Kaç kip var
burning
dedi.
a little bit.
Once it catches the tissue part, then you can
Yeah, let me just get it down here. That's looking good now.
Oh, hi.
There. It's going good.
Teaching us patience.
There you go. You'll be here for 90 days. Well, that's wonderful. But the monks are going to. Okay, so take it. I have a feather. I will use a feather.
Okay.
But it's okay. Okay, over you.
남교에는 கொஞ்சம் 쇼크 받은데요. 저거다 된다기도 와. 근데 배쳤던 거.
If you had a feather. Okay.
I think this one is 40.
아주 예고를 겸내 디고 어레스. 양용고 겸내 근데 지금 어레스. 아니 소소 라바기 다
This is for
사수조
everything
네
you touch. Everything cleansing you.
디 사모로 네시 사모로 매워 쓰고
Hold
어레스.
everything you hold. You can do this.
아주 상두랑 레셔 돼도. 얘다. 아니 강배 와 집에 있는 수수 공부 되게 사모로 아니 개비 좀 받으라.
You can hold on to me.
약간 요구레스 뭐라 라고 창에 야와 요레스.
Under your feet, your bottom.
그냥 강배 약간은 디그레스. 이게 수수다 집다 되게 상모로 매워 쓰고 있어. 아주 상두 지기와 니 집에 지냐 해도 와요.
This other foot.
Other foot?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I like smudge. I do a lot.
Yes. Yes.
So you do this,
Yes. You can do it. Yes.
yeah, and then like this always,
Over to the head, up above the profile.
and then I can go 4 times.
Around.
Tama she.
4 times
아주
around.
tama she 지금 아주
The
tama
whole
쓰는 지금
body. The whole body.
Yes, whole body.
And head. Okay.
아니 눈만 tama 지고 그래. 락바체.
Thank
아니
you for doing
락바다
it.
아니 이제 속 근데 열어 와.
And for what you hold too. Yeah.
정말 배는 깡발이 이심이지. 깡배 와게 뒤치비나 수수 공부해야 돼. 되게 선물로 그런 쪽 약고 열에서 제라고. 다 깡바 되게 힐링 지기. Thank you, Amma.
Thank you.
What?
Kit.
Amma Kit.
Kit.
야구 더야. 맞아 머리 더운데. Can you sing me your song?
Oh.
Sing one song.
I'm trying to think.
No problem. I'll bring it.
Well, I had throat cancer, so I have difficulty singing anymore. Can I get a Hopi person to come sing for you? He can sing, but my voice is not so strong.
down?
He's right there.
Okay, let him rest.
Okay. Sonamea, 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 chichayo, sonamea, honamea, honame chichayo, honame chichayo, honame chichayo, honamea, honamea, honame chichayo. And that is a song for the bear.
Ah,
And that is, I started the song, and that is the bear comes out. Actually, it would go on for a while with that song, and it would get faster and faster because the bear comes out and he's coming out of his sleep, and then he goes faster and faster with the joy of being free out in the world again from his stain in the cave, you know.
can you? Yeah. Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you.